Welcome to the lecture on Engineering Statistics and Linear Algebra. In this lecture, I am going to discuss briefly about the application exercise with noise. So first we'll see what is noise. So if the resistance is at absolute temperature T, then the system has a bandwidth capital B in terms of hertz. Then the unloaded voltage is observed across the resistance, which has a value of Vrms is equal to square root of 4 kTBR. So where this K is a Boltzmann constant and the value of this K is given by 1.38 into 10 power minus 23 joule per Kelvin. So now the power associated with the voltage is proportional to the bandwidth B. So it is given by V RMS square divided by R is equal to 4 kTB. So then the average power in terms of random process is given by R of 0 is equal to V RMS square is equal to 4 kTBR is given by 1 by 2 pi integration minus 2 pi B2 plus 2 pi B SR omega d omega. So on simplifying this equation, we'll be getting the value of SR omega is equal to 2 kTR. So now, if PSD is a constant value function of frequency, then the noise from the resistance it will be called as a white noise. So obviously this white noise will be always having the mean 0 and its PSD will be some constant K as I told here. So therefore, the value of Sn omega is given by K for the range of omega is minus 2 pi B2 plus 2 pi B, and the same function will be 0 for the other conditions of omega. So this is a graphical representation of the white noise for 0 mean and constant PSD. So now let me see about variance. The variance formula sigma n square is given by 1 by 2 pi K 4 pi B. On simplifying this, I'll be getting the value of variance is 2 kb, and the value of the autocorrelation function Rn tau is given by K omega by pi into sine omega tau by omega tau. So and this Rn tau is nothing but an autocorrelation function of white noise here. Okay. So next one. So now in the previous equation, if I replace tau is equal to 0, so I'll be getting what Rn of 0 is equal to K omega b by pi. So it will be equal to K into 2 pi b by pi. And on simplifying this further, I'll be getting the value of Rn of 0 is equal to 2 kb. So now you can see that here. So if the bandwidth is moving upwards, the power Rx of 0 will also move upwards with respect to the given bandwidth. So then we can say that with this condition, therefore I will be getting the value of sine omega tau n will be equal to 0, or it will be equal to what? The value of omega tau will be equal to pi, then the value of tau n will be equal to 1 by 2b. Then the power filter function S phi of omega is given by modulus of h of j omega whole square into S x of omega. So if the input is a white noise, then I will be getting what? S x of omega is equal to S n of omega. Therefore, S phi of omega is equal to h of j omega whole square into the constant K. I will get it. So problem on the noise. So a network has a voltage as h of s is equal to 1 by s plus 3 e power minus 0.2 into s. The input to the network is 0 mean white noise with a bandwidth of b is equal to 5 megahertz and variance is given by 3.7 v square. So find the network output PSD s5 omega we have to find here. So we know that the value of K is given by sigma n square by 2b, and this is because of the various formulas. Sigma n square is equal to 2 kb. Then on simplifying this, I'll be having the value of K is equal to what? 3.7 v square by 2 into 5 into 10 power 6. So I'll be getting K is equal to 3.7 into 10 power minus 7 v square per second. So since the value of h of s is given by what? 1 by s plus 3 into e power minus 2.0 s, then on simplifying this, I'll be getting the value of h of j omega is equal to 1 by j omega plus 3 e power minus 0.2 j omega. So therefore, h of minus j omega is equal to what I can write? 1 by minus j omega plus 3 with respect to e power 0.2 j omega. I'm just converting all the j into minus j here. So therefore, the modulus of h of j omega whole square will be equal to what? H of j omega into h of minus j omega. So on replacing these two values here, I'll be getting what? E power minus j of 0.2 into omega divided by j omega plus 3. E power j of 0.2 omega divided by minus j omega plus 3 will get it. So on simplifying that equation further, I'll be getting what e power minus j of 0.2 omega plus j of 0.2 omega by omega square plus 3 square. I'll be getting 1 by omega square plus 9. Therefore, the value of sy by omega will be equal to hc of omega whole square into k. So I'll be having now 1 by omega square plus 9 into 3.7 into 10 power minus 7. So it will be equal to 3.7 into 10 power minus 7 divided by omega square plus 9. We'll get it. Thank you.